Hello, Mr. Fry's Algebra 2 class. This is April 13th, and I'm looking at the function operations quiz. I want to just walk you through this and set some things up for you as you take this quiz. So it says perform the given function operations for the following functions. Show all work and steps necessary. So we have these two functions, f of x and g of x right here. And the first thing we're going to do is add them together. And x is just going to stay x. So go ahead and just add those together. I have them together the way they should look when you add them together, and all you're going to do is combine like terms. So the x squared is going to stay the same. You're going to put the positive 3x with the negative 7x, and you're going to put the negative 2 with the positive 3. And pause this as needed. When you get to b, what you're going to do is you're going to just plug in 3 for the f of x minus the quantity of the g of x, but that's going to be 6 whenever you see it x. So you're just going to take those two amounts as seen here, and you can plug it right into your calculator just as you see it and get the answer for that one. So that's a good setup for that. For this one, you're going to multiply them and just keep x as x, so multiply the two functions together. So you're just going to go ahead and going to just kind of put those together, do your double distribution, all that kind of good stuff. For D, don't pay attention to what I crossed off there. We don't want to, do that right away. I guess you get still the same answer, but you're going to want to take f of x and divide by g of x, and then once you get that all sorted out, then plug in your 2. Okay. For number 2, we have different f of x and g of x. So A, we're going to take those, and first of all, what you want to do is you want to multiply the two together. Then when you're done multiplying the two together, the two functions, then whenever you see x, plug in a 4 for that. Okay. B, what you're going to do is you're going to subtract, don't pay attention to that, subtract the two together, the two functions that you have up here, subtract those two. And then when you get down to where you can't go anymore, then you're going to plug in the 3 for your x values and then figure it out. And then lastly, C, you're going to take the f of x and plug in a 4 for it, and you're going to take that value and multiply it by the g of x when x is negative 2 and work that out. Then multiply them two together, and good luck with the rest of it, and hopefully this helps you on this quiz.